Lindsay over at Battleground Kia. We are in a Kia Sorento that we have in stock right now. This one does have Android and Apple CarPlay on it, so I just wanted to show you guys how the Android Auto works. I have an Android device here, and I do already have the Android Autoplay app on my phone, so all I need to do is plug in the USB, make sure it's plugged in. I do have to make sure my phone is unlocked, that's why it took a little while. It says the USB in Android Auto is now connected. So now Android Auto is connected, so now I can play with it on my touch screen here. So I'm just going to show you guys a few things that you can do here. It does have your voice recognition. All of your notifications will come up as well, and they'll pop up on the screen. So we'll take a look at these apps that we have over here. I've got a bunch of different options that I can use while I'm driving in my car. Of course, I can check my maps, get my navigation set up so I know where I'm going. I've already done that, so I'm ready to roll there. I've also already set up my Spotify. I've got my playlist set up and music's bumping, ready to roll. Of course, I've got the volume turned down for the video, but I can also adjust the volume and everything on my steering wheel. I can also do all of my phone calls and stuff either here or through the wheel. That app screen here. I also have access to all kinds of different music apps. If I didn't want to use Spotify, I could use Amazon Music or Google Play Music. You also can download different music apps as well, like Pandora or SiriusXM. Alright, that's it. Access everything on your phone easily from the main screen in your vehicle with Android Auto. This is a 2020 Kia Sorento that we have in stock right now. It's a pretty great feature on it. Come by and check it out. We've got a bunch of specialists here today that would be happy to walk you through the entire program. Give us a call at 336-282-0115 for more information. We'll see you guys later at Battleground Kia.